I'm going to do an unboxing of this. This is a PDP limited classic wood hoop snare drum. It's 6x14. So anyway, I have no idea how it's going to sound. I just wanted to get a video of the unboxing and we'll see what happens. Once I get it out of here and check it out, I'll go ahead and do a sound test with an in-room mic, and then I'll also do maybe some close miking. Sweetwater catalog. Well, it looks like it's packaged pretty well in the Sweetwater catalog. It's very pretty. Not a big fan of the Remo Asian, either Japanese or Chinese heads, mostly Chinese. Doesn't seem to have the same quality as the regular Remos, but for now I'll just leave the bottom on there. Definitely going to need to, I can feel already, I'll probably have to tune that up a little tighter for me. But it's pretty. I'll give it that much. Oh, include a little mini drum key. It's really small. So let's see. That's all that's in the box. That's good. We got that on camera. So, they do put an Emperor coated on top, so that's nice. It's like a fairly no-name copper strainer. So I can see a few upgrades that might be good. But all in all, it looks like a fairly decent drum. Quality-wise, I don't see any dings or cracks, or it looks well made. I know the DW, this is actually a DW mag throw-off, which is supposed to be really nice. So we'll see. This is a bit of a, this feels like, makes me feel like a giant. It's tiny. I'm used to like real size. Anywho, yeah, I would say cool buy. Let me do some tuning, and then I'll play it for you and see how it sounds. Anyway, let me tune it up and I'll play for you. Okay, so I was about to throw the box away, and this is a cute treat that Sweetwater does. They put bags of candy in the box. Man, that's I mean, that's huge. No tax, free shipping, and treats. Okay, big plus for Sweetwater in my opinion. Okay, so I did some tuning on the drum. I tightened up the bottom for sure, cranked it pretty tight and tuned it, and then I started with the top head and started in a lower tuning. It was a little bit too low and ringy, so I brought it up. This is like low medium tuning, and this is kind of where I normally have some of my other drums, snare drums, at tuning wise. So it may get better. The brand new head is gonna kind of weather a bit and sound a little better as it gets going, but give you the sound in the room straight from the GoPro mic, and then I will switch to close mic'd and give you that sound as well. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to switch to close miking and try something similar, because I didn't really work any beats out. I'm not going to hear the same exact thing. It's different, and for the price, I think it's great. So I think it's going to grow more and more on me. It's a little bit different sounding than this stuff I have. So yeah, I dig it. For $200, for $199, free shipping, no tax, and candy? Are you kidding me? It's well worth it. So, all right, peace.